Okay, this is question 5. Here are the weights in grams to the nearest gram of 15 eggs. And they're in random order, so yep, sure enough, it's a stem and leaf diagram. You must include a key. Okay, so when you're doing a stem and leaf diagram, basically what you're trying to do is put all the numbers into order. You're sorting them. So I would do this in 2 steps. First of all, get all the, look for the smallest and lowest, so it looks like we've got some 30s up to 60s, no 70s. Okay, so if we do 33, 37, 38, that's all of those. Okay, and then 41, 46, 44, and that's it for 40s. Okay, and then 50s, we got a 55, a 52, a 51, another 51, 55, and this way if you miss one you can always go back and write it in. Oh, there's a 54, nearly missed one there. Okay, and then the 60s, 60, 62, 63, and we've done everything. Okay, so now basically the first digit of each block goes in here, so 30 somethings, 40 somethings, 50 somethings, and 60 somethings. And then you basically just look for which is the smallest, that's this one. So 33, 7, 8, and I'd leave yourself a little gap here just in case you do have to slot another one in. Okay, 1, 4, 6 is the right order for that. 1, 4, and 6, so 41, 44, 46. Then we got a pair of 51s here. Okay, so that's going to be 1, we'll put them both in, 1, 1, then a 52, then a 54, and 2 55s. Okay, and then 60s, 60, 0, 62, 63. Okay, and the basic idea is here that you're sort of roughly putting together a bell curve really of the data. It kind of goes up like that and back down again, so you're seeing where the majority of the data is focused. Okay, and then over here in the key you write something like 46 means 46 or equals 46, something like that. Okay, and part B, Meg is going to pick at random one of the eggs. Work out the probability that this egg will have a weight of more than 45 grams. Okay, so if the weight of the egg is more than 45 grams, if it's going to have a probability of more than 50%, then half of the eggs would have to be under 45 and half would be over. So let's have a look for the median value here. 45 would be somewhere in here. So this would be if there were 15 eggs altogether. So it's going to be something out of 15. And we've got this one's under 15. Sorry, this one's under 45. So is this one and this one and this one and this one. But this is the first egg that is over 45 grams. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs have a weight under 45 grams, which means out of 15 that the remaining 10, because they've asked for more than 45, not less than 45. So it's the remaining 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10 out of 15, and you could write this for the examiner: more than 45 grams equals 10 out of 15. So you're explaining to the examiner what this 10 out of 15 is talking about, and 10 out of 15 will cancel down to 2/3. So that's your probability. You don't need to turn it into a decimal. A fraction is just fine. Okay, let's check the notes. 387614. Yeah, that's what we got. And 10 out of 15, or equivalent. That OE means or equivalent, and that means you're allowed to have any value that is equal to 2/3 or 10/15 or 0.6 recurring. Anything like that would be fine. And again, those are the possible ways of doing your key. Okay.